Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Becoming a millionaire is a goal many aspire to, but few achieve. It requires not just the dream, but a combination of discipline, smart decision-making, and strategic financial planning. In this video, we will explore 10 actionable strategies that could set you on the path to becoming a millionaire. These are based on lessons from successful entrepreneurs, investment strategies, and financial planning insights. 1. Start with a clear financial plan. The first step towards achieving millionaire status is to create a detailed financial plan. This plan should outline your financial goals, income sources, investments, and any debts. It serves as a roadmap for your financial journey. A well-structured financial plan helps you to identify your current financial status, set realistic and measurable financial goals, create a savings and investment strategy, plan for retirement. Consider consulting a financial advisor to help you craft a plan that's tailored to your specific needs and goals. 2. Embrace the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. By investing money and reinvesting the earnings, you allow your wealth to grow exponentially over time. The key to harnessing the power of compound interest is starting early. This gives your investments more time to grow, illustrating the saying, "Time in the market beats timing the market." To benefit from compound interest, invest consistently. Reinvest dividends and earnings. Maintain a long-term perspective. 3. Develop multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is a risky strategy. Diversifying your income streams can enhance financial security and accelerate wealth building. Consider these options. Starting a side business. Investing in rental properties. Freelancing or consulting in your professional field. Investing in dividend-paying stocks or funds. Multiple income streams not only increase your earnings, but also protect you financially should one stream falter. 4. Live below your means. One of the most common traits among millionaires is their ability to live below their means. This doesn't mean living frugally without enjoying life, but rather being mindful of where your money goes and avoiding unnecessary expenditures. Living below your means is fundamentally about spending less than you earn, which allows you to save and invest the surplus. This strategy not only builds a financial safety net, but also compiles capital that can be put to work to generate more income. Many millionaires often drive modest cars, live in homes that are well within their budget, and refrain from indulgent spending despite their ability to afford luxury. They understand that true financial independence comes not from the things they own, but from the assets that provide a steady income. By making conscious choices to avoid debt and excessive spending, they keep their financial liabilities low and savings rate high. This discipline extends beyond just big purchases. It includes regular reviews of recurring expenses to trim fat and redirect funds towards wealth-building investments. Moreover, adopting a minimalist approach not only clears financial clutter, but also focuses your budget on what truly matters and adds value to your life. Tips to achieve this include creating and sticking to a budget, prioritizing needs over wants, avoiding lifestyle inflation. Living below your means allows you to save and invest more, accelerating your journey to becoming a millionaire. 5. Invest in what you understand. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, advises investors to never invest in a business you cannot understand. Before investing your money, ensure you understand the business or industry. This reduces risk and increases your chances of successful investments. Ways to improve your investment knowledge include reading books and financial news, taking courses on investing, joining investment clubs or forums. 6. Take calculated risks. While excessive risk can lead to significant losses, avoiding risk altogether can mean missing out on high-growth opportunities. Millionaires often reach their financial status by taking calculated risks. To manage risks smartly, do thorough research before making any major investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk. 7. Continuously learn and adapt. The path to wealth requires continuous learning and adaptation to new technologies, market conditions, and opportunities. Stay informed about financial trends and continually seek knowledge that can benefit your financial strategies. This might involve following financial news, attending seminars and workshops, reading books and articles on finance and business. 8. Build a strong network. Networking isn't just beneficial for career advancement, but also for wealth accumulation. Building relationships with successful, like-minded individuals can provide you with support, advice, and new opportunities. Effective networking involves attending industry conferences, joining professional organizations, participating in community events, engaging on professional social media platforms like LinkedIn. 9. Focus on value creation. Millionaires often focus on creating value, whether it's through businesses, products, or services. By solving problems or fulfilling needs, you can generate substantial income. To create value, consider identifying problems that need solutions, using your skills to meet market needs, innovating new products or services. 10. Set and pursue SMART goals. Finally, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals can guide your journey to becoming a millionaire. Each goal you set should lead to concrete actions. For example, instead of merely wishing to be rich, set a goal to invest $500 monthly into an index fund or start a business by the end of the year. By implementing these 10 strategies, you can increase your chances of achieving millionaire status. Remember, while the path to wealth might seem daunting, persistence and smart financial decisions can lead you to your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams.